Today's date is February 14th, 2024, and this is beginning of moving day here at the PDE Central. So we got our 6-foot bed lathe here. You know, I think it's a Cincinnati, but don't hold me to that. So it needs to be cleaned up. We need to validate the ways and all that kind of stuff. But here, I need to clean all the sand and everything out of here, get this all straightened up, and get it ready for hooking power up. So this, if you look at the grand scheme of the shop here, as you can see, this is the west side of the shop, and this is the east side. What I'm going to try and do is get it so the mill is going to be in this bay over here, and the lathe is going to be over here. So the end where the motor is and everything is going to be where this main beam is here in the building. So the lathe is going to be here. It's going to come out about 8 feet, 10 feet. We got power there. And then the mill will be right here. Then we have the rest of the shop for everything else. So anyway, it's kind of exciting today. I'm going to be getting this cleared out right now. We're just waiting for this to get cleared out, and then I'll be able to gradually get everything out here and get it covered up. The look ahead on this is I'm gonna at some period of time, I'm gonna put some forms in out here, because the ready mix is just down the street here, and so a lot of times they have too much that they over ordered, and it's what they call a hot load, and we'll be ready. We should be able to bring that truck right in here, start pouring the concrete, and we'll have, that's probably 60 feet there, so at least 40, another 40 feet. So we'd have all of that square footage to keep the outside stuff on concrete. So we're still moving stuff around here. Here's my disc grinder. I want to keep that away from the mill and the lathe, so we'll probably have that over here underneath the mezzanine up there. So anyway, another exciting day, and we got huge tables here. Check out this table. These are all solid steel. This is 20 foot long, and I think it's 8 foot wide. Look at that. That's 2 inches thick. My fans are beckoning me. And here we are locating our lathe. That's pretty good, just like that, straight in.
Straight in or right there?
Right here, that's good. Straight in. That's good.
Just straighten it up a little.
Yeah, yeah. You can just push this over here.
I think it's easier to pick down and move it over this way.
You're the boss. That's good. Okay, the lathe has landed.